Hey guys, welcome to our Sweet Home Life. Old Mojo here, and I got the old Jeep out. And I know some of you have been wondering where has the Jeep been? And I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. So stay tuned, guys. Good to have you. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Like I say, I took that off, and look what I got. Daddy got some brand new shoes. Mickey Thompson's. These are Baja. Hold on, guys, I can't see that, but you see this tread pattern? It's a lot more aggressive than those things. Not just a little more. They look good. Got two new shoes on the front. There's one in the daylight. Mickey Thompson. I was trying to see what these were. Baja Legend EXPs. Mickey Thompson is an old name. They used to have that. I think Mickey Thompsons were big in the racing tires. But it's a real old name, guys. I don't know. I've never owned a Mickey Thompson tire, but I'll let you know how they do. Got two right now, and that's on the front. I still got two old ones on the back. There's those all-terrain TAs, BF Goodrich. BF Goodrich, you need to get on the ball, man. I couldn't find another one to match these. So these on the back are in still pretty good shape, but I don't know, guys. I'll probably go ahead and buy me some Mickey Thompsons. And I may use one of these old ones and put it on the back on this old plug of a rim I have. That's just for spare, but primarily just for looks. But I don't know, those look pretty good. But man, don't those look good. Wow, I love those things. Anyway, they're a little bigger in the OD, even though they are 33s by 12 and a half. But the biggest problem was their 15-inch. Those 15s are hard to find. Now, there's no problem to get 17s, but these smaller ones, I think they're just about to quit making them. So if you need some 15s, you need to go ahead and get you some, guys. They're getting hard to find. And I may sell these used tires if you have anybody who knows, who owns a off-road vehicle or a high performance, off a high-profile vehicle. Tell them to call old Mojo. He can contact me on our email address. Right there, if you'll look on our homepage, you'll find it. May give you a pretty good deal on these things, but at least two of them. I may save that one. But yeah, looks real good, guys. You wondered what happened. Said, Mojo, where did the Jeep go? Well, that's where it went. I could not find a tire anywhere. And last time I drove this thing was about maybe July. And here it is in January. Just now getting them on, guys. So there's where we are with the old Jeep. All right. This is what I took off of it. It's a BF Goodrich. Turn it around where you can see it. All-terrain TA. It's a KO. This is a 33-inch by 12 and a half wide by a 15-inch rim. Man, these things are hard to find. I looked around everywhere to try to find a single. As you can see, these guy up there at the tire place told me these had about 40% tread life left on them. And I tried to find something. I would have bought a new one, but couldn't find one of these. I looked everywhere, but this search has been going on for quite a while. In pretty good shape, no more than what I drive it. What I was really concerned about on these tires that they were dry rotted, but these are not dry rotted, guys. The walls look good. Everything looks good. I had a flat, and my flat I didn't know it because I bought it like that, but it had been plugged right there. And the tire actually separated in this belt area. One side went up and the other side went down. I didn't know what was going on when I had it. It wasn't a blowout, it was just a flat. It separated somehow in the casing. So I knew I had to get something. So I went shopping, and that's the reason you see this tire. This is not the tire that I had a flat on, but it's another tire. And I'll see you later at our Sweet Home Life. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. And give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it, guys, each and every one of you.